Local news for Tuesday, the 18th of August. Featherston's Booktown Words in Winter August events featuring Shane Carter and four amazing poems has had to be cancelled. Misgivings of some of the presenters that they had on travelling and the impact of guidelines on social distancing saw the cancellation of the event that was due to be held at the Anzac Hall this Saturday. 5 Māori business networks between Porirua and New Plymouth have come together to host the first Māori Business Summit to shape a regional strategy to support Māori business and whānau through the anticipated economic recession. The Te Mataro o Maui online launch will take place Thursday from 8 a.m. The Council of Clubs of Club Rugby have agreed to have Premier Rugby and Senior Reserves Ryan Cup final this weekend, although without spectators. The Ryan Cup will be played Friday nights, while all other Premier games will be played Saturday, with the Pioneer Martinborough game moved to Trust House Memorial Park. Also in sport, the Dalfair women's hockey team have scored another victory, beating Northern United 3-1 at the weekend. In football, it was a tough weekend for Wairarapa United, losing 3-1 to stop out the men, while the women lost 6-1 to Wellington Diamonds. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.